All right, ready to tack?
Ready.
All right, tacking.
1 minute.
Sorry, that's me. I got stuck.
1 minute. 50 seconds.
We can do a tack again, and then do one more quick one. We got 40 seconds.
40, yeah.
All right, I say we tack one more time. All right, ready to tack? Tacking.
Ready. 30 seconds.
All right, that was slow on my part. Let's get ready to build up speed and then go again.
20 seconds.
All right, ready to tack?
Ready.
Tacking.
10 seconds.
You don't want to fall off and like
5
pull
seconds.
the centerboard up.
Centerboard up, Norbert. There we go. Norbert, can you get on the other side, please?
Yep.
Watch your heads.
All the way up.
Yes. Ah, it's caught on my foot. All right, let's get ready to jibe. Ready to jibe?
Ready.
All right. Watch your head, jibing.
We have 7 boats in class 3 and 5 Scots. Okay. We have 4, 6.
All right, let's get this weight in the back a little bit. Katie Jo, you're fine. There you go. Norbert, scoot up just a tad. Scoot up towards the center. Yeah, right there's good. Does it want a wing?
Quite far from the background.
All right, Norbert, can you hold that on the outside of the sail?
What do you mean?
So outside of the side stay, grab it from around here.
That's not hard yet.
Yep, and then grab the jib sheet.
Oh,
Hold
I
it
see.
out up a little bit.
Now, yeah, now kind of let it go a bit. There you go, there you go.
I see.
All right, now let it out as far as you can a little bit. There you go.
So how do you call that?
Wing on wing. Does it want to come back over, Norbert?
Yeah.
Nope, wait. Come on, let's get it flying. All right, Norbert, can you let it out some more? Don't keep it as tight. There we go. Does it want to come back? Nope, there we go. Keep it like that. Try to keep it flying out as long as possible. If it needs to come over, let it over.
Yeah, I can cut it.
All right, come on over. That way it'll be easier. Norbert, can you get on the centerboard, please?
Yep.
I gotta give these guys room now.
It wants to come back. It wants to
All right, hold on. We're gonna come over. All right, let's go. We might have to tack here. All right, start lowering it. No, we don't want to tack. You gotta fall off. All right, Katie Jo, bring that. We can't tack. We got people behind us. All right. All right, we got to tack. Ready to tack?
Ready.
Tacking.
Watch out.
Starboard! All right, let's pay attention here, people. I think we had to tack.
Yeah, you warned him.
Yeah, well, we were gonna crash into the rocks whether or not, so. All right.
You don't want to do it.
No. All right, ready to tack?
Ready.
Come on, Katie Jill, there we go. Tacking. All right, somebody slap that side stay, get it going.
Watch out.
That's us. Come on, damn it! That's us. All right, ready to attack?
Ready.
All right, I'm gonna count it down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sailing fat coming up. Coming up too far. God, that thing sucks. It keeps getting caught. Yeah, look at him. He's coming way across. Nice move there. No, all right. Well, let's go. Ready to attack?
Ready.
Attacking. Sailing fat. Can you fix the side stay, please? Make it go if it's not wanting to go. There we go. Alrighty. Bring in this main here. Where's Cassie? Anybody tell me? Is she low or high? Look under the sail if you got to. She should be right in front of us, I think. That's John.
There she is.
All right. Thank you, Norbert. Let's stay high of them. Something snapped or broke. I'm pinching again. Sorry. All right, let's get ready to attack. I'm gonna count it down. 3, 2, 1, going. Sailing fat. Gonna get our speed up. How's my telltale? Am I flying right, Katie Jo? Up or down? All right. Okay.
We can make it.
Yeah, I think we will. All right, ready to attack?
Ready.
All right, attacking. Let's go. All right, get that side stay going. There you go. Thank you, Norbert. It's long course, by the way. Like out, here we go. Heading up a bit. Yeah, we'll be way behind them. Heading up a tad. Watch my telltales, Katie Jo. Let me know if I need to fall down or go up.
Fall off.
Fall off.
Fall off.
Yep.
Don't fall off.
It's me. All right, well, let's tack right at this wall. So I'm gonna count it down. All right.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Sailing fat. All right, heading up. Oh my God. All right, get ready. All right.
Are you gonna attack or are you?
Yeah, let's go. Ready to attack?
Ready.
Attacking. All right, sailing fat. Let's get our speed. All right, now I'm heading up.
I think we'll make it, huh?
Yeah, we'll make it. The current's gonna push us down too, so
So that's the lowest, and then
we gotta head up. So we should probably we could probably go a little lower than this mark. See where they're going. Yeah, Cassie's going, man. I like their move of going lower and then heading up. I think we could tack. All right, ready to attack?
Ready.
All right, tacking. Oh, wait a minute. We want to fall off and go up. All right, let's do that. Can you bring it? Get the center board ready there, Norbert.
Yeah.
All right, I think here's good. We'll kind of go on this beamy thing. It's good right there.
BYC Race Committee, BYC Race Committee, this is Synergy. Go ahead, Synergy. This is Race Committee.
You should like it, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. We're well.
Just had a collision with a port boat.
Oh, they just had a collision with a port boat.
Everyone's okay.
Damn.
Yeah, we're fine, thank you.
They're gonna file a protest though. I think though you should drop out. I think that's like, I say we jibe around this. We're gonna jibe around this mark. So Norbert, can you get that ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let this out as far as it goes. All right, John got first. Cassie's gonna get second. All right. Going a little further here. All right, ready to jibe?
Ready.
All right, jibing. Oh, it's so slow. Don't hang on to it, let it. If it wants to wing on wing, do it. God. There we go.
Yay.
All right, you could probably sit inside now. Well, hold on to the sail still, but you don't have to go as far. All right, nice job.
Yay.
Yeah. Third place. I'm happy with that.